Hello, my name is Maria Trakowski, and I'm the Serials Coordinator at Art Center College of Design Library. Today, I will show you how to access some of our digital and online journals because the virtual library is open. So what I'd like to do is share my screen. So hopefully you can see the home page here, the library homepage, which is lib.artcenter.edu. And then you see this search box here with basic and extended. Extended is the search you want to use for this to access our materials online. And I would just start off with something general like magazines. And then you can hit enter or the arrow, which should bring you to our online resources. And here you see the magazines A through Z tab. But before that, I would go ahead and log in and just use your usual credentials here or inside, and you sign in. And here we go. So I would then click on this magazines A through Z tab. And from this point on, there are 3 ways to look at magazines. I will show you all 3 in succession. So the first one is simply to enter the specific magazine title or journal title and to see if it's available. For example, let's type in European photography and then hit search. So you see that we do indeed have it and we have full text access to it. To access it, I will show you, you will click on this link. You will click then on the art and architecture source, which is the source of the back issues here. And all of the issues are here, as well as the publication details for this title. So if you want to take a look at a particular issue, you would simply find it within the year you're interested in, and you will see a chronology of various articles. And if you'd like to then further explore one particular one, you would click on the PDF full text link, which will then open up the actual article in a moment. Here it is. And you can then read it and do any number of things, such as email it to yourself, embed a link, print, or put it on Google Drive. So if we return to the very point where we started off, I will show you the second method. And the second one is just discovering new titles by using the Browse by Discipline feature here. So the list is right here, located below the search box, and you would go to, for example, Arts and Entertainment, which tells you that we have 199 resources here. So resources such as Aesthetica magazine, American Artists. So then you would then have the opportunity to refine your results and narrow them on this left column. So for example, you could say just journals, give me just journals, and that is a way to really narrow down all the magazines to just journals. And then if we go back to our home page that we started off with, the Browse by Discipline homepage, then we can also just enter the type of term that you're looking for. Let's say you want to find photography magazines. So you would simply type in photography as a key term and you press search. And there you have various photography resources that the library has access to. And again, here you have an ability to narrow down by a particular subject, more narrow, for example, whether you want a history of photography article or something about, for example, photography techniques, or you can simply, again, go to resource type and select the journal box, which will then give you just the journals. And then that's pretty much it. There's other ways. In my next video, I think I will show you another way to gain access through our online resources link on the webpage. Thank you very much. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll be back with another video.